doing, bro? This hair is out of control. His hair just needs to relax. That's the mission today. We're gonna go get some product to relax and straighten his hair. Let's go! Hello friends and YouTube viewers, welcome back. So today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. This guy's hair, this guy right here, his hair is out of control. So I did a video probably, I don't know, a good 10 years ago with his older brother whose hair was out of control back then, but this is just a different out of control. So we're on a mission today. Today's mission is we're gonna buy some hair product to relax this beast. We're gonna try and tame her down. We're gonna try to straighten his hair. So as y'all know, whenever you apply chemicals to hair, there's always the risk of clumps of hair falling out and burning off. We're hoping for the best. This will be a first time, first experience for us both. So I'm hoping things go well. I got a lot of friends out there who are hairstylists and things like that, and they're actually professionals at this kind of things. You will probably cringe at what we're going to be doing. So if you are squeamish with that kind of material, I don't suggest you watch this video because I just can't guarantee results. So we're gonna go buy some product right now. We're going to Sally's Beauty Supply, and wish us luck. We'll see you at the store. Alright, let's see what this person, look at that. Nice. Whoa. Nice driving, almost hit the fire hydrant and everything. That's brilliant. Alright, so we just parked. We're gonna go into Sally's Beauty and see if we can find what we need. We got goals today, don't we? We got goals. Yep. The goals today is right there. You see that picture, that pink hair? We got goals. This is what relaxed hair looks like. Yeah, baby. All right, so we found what we're looking for here. We are using this olive oil, ORS, normal. And if you look at the pictures on the package, and my kid here, this is what his hair is gonna look like when we're done. So it almost looks like him already. So, so this is what we got. We're probably gonna get some, maybe some hot oil treatment too, just to rehydrate his hair. So I'm gonna look around and see what I can find. Then we'll purchase this, be on our way, and work this out somehow to this. That to this guy to this girl. Sorry. All right, y'all, so we got the stuff. So here's what we got. We got some olive oil, ORS. We got some shower caps. 30. I don't think we needed 30, but it's all they had. And then we got the sauce. We got the sauce. So this sauce has avocado in it, and the ingredients on the back specifically say do not eat. So we're not gonna eat this sauce. We're gonna put it in his head. All right, y'all, so let's drive back home and see what we can get done. We out. All right, so we are back. We got our stuff. So apparently the relaxer, so we got a two-part. This is part A. Okay, we got part B. So we're going to be mixing up part A and part B. And then we're going to be adding some exotic oil boost into that. So, but before we mix this, because I'm supposed to wear gloves when I mix this stuff up, we have to put some Vaseline on the boy's hairline and his scalp and around his ears so that he doesn't get burned. So let's go ahead and do that. Should be easy. So now that we have his hairline all greased up, we're going to go ahead and mix the product.
Actually raise their hand and bow to defend the United States of America and the Constitution of the United States of America. They have to know what the Constitution means, because they have to do things that people born in this nation.
So we have to mix this until it is a consistent texture. Right now it looks like lemon flavored Greek yogurt. Don't think that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to add the exotic oil boost. Here we go. That looks really exotic. Okay. We'll mix it for a minute. Okay, and now we're gonna let it set for 5 minutes before we apply it. Okay, so now the product has been sitting for 5 minutes. This is what it looks like. All right, it's ready to go. It looks like Greek yogurt. So now we're supposed to start at the top, like back here, and then work around the outer parts. We're not supposed to apply directly to the scalp. So I'm just gonna kind of lightly put it down. Once I get it all in there, I'll massage it with my fingers and just kind of push it down different ways, but I'm not going to like rub it into his scalp. So there we go. All right, so we're gonna let this do its thing, and then we're gonna rinse it after the timer goes off, which is set for 15 minutes. All right, so it's been 15 minutes, and Jeremy is now going to rinse this stuff out of his hair. All right, he is now totally rinsed out, and so now it's time for him to shampoo his hair to a nice thick lather.
How do I pour this?
Just squeeze. Put a generous amount in there. That's good. All right, now work it into that noggin of yours with a nice thick lather. This is a neutralizing shampoo, so it will stop the processing. So get it in there real good. And then what you're gonna do, once you get it in there real good, you'll rinse this off, and then you're gonna shampoo it one more time and leave it in for 3 minutes. All right, so now he is putting conditioner in his hair, and because we don't have a heat source, we're gonna leave this conditioner in under a cap for about 1 hour, just to re-moisturize his hair. Generous amount. That's good. Actually, a little more, just because you can. Just put the whole thing in there. Just get it all in there. We're gonna throw the rest away. It doesn't matter. This is conditioner. The more, the better.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Just.
There you go. There. Oh, that's generous. That is generous.
Stop.
Yeah, that's fine. Here, give me that. All right. So now he's gonna put the conditioner in his hair.
Smells like lemons.
It's orange. There it is. Stay like that for an hour. Let's go to the mall. All right, so the kid's had his little hat on for about an hour now. Now he's going to, well, he just took it off and he's going to rinse. And we're gonna see what we got. I think his hair is still on his head, so that's good. All right, y'all, so we finished. We relaxed his hair, and yeah, I think it came out pretty good, but I'll let you guys be the judge. Dang, bro. This hair is out of control. His hair just needs to relax. Dang, bro. That looks so different. There it goes. See, his fro is gone, man. It is straight. Straight. Give him a nice little fade. Right on. Not too bad. Cool. So that's that, y'all. We got it done. I think that was a success. Good times, man. I don't know why I do the crap that I do. I don't know. But hey, he looks good. I don't mind. So thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll see ya. Ciao.